Today, in this video, I'm gonna explain how to fix Xbox controller won't connect to PC. From the PC, go to search bar, then type Bluetooth and click on it. If you're already connected to your control, go to controller name, then click on three dots. Now click on remove device. Now restart the PC and go to Bluetooth again. Then click on add device, then click on Bluetooth. From the controller, press and hold the pairing button. Press and hold the until X button light blinks. From the PC, click on your controller Bluetooth name. If name is not shown on PC, then remove the batteries from your controller. Now wait for 30 seconds. Then refix the batteries back. Now press the pairing button to connect. Another method is remove the power cable from the console, then wait for 30 seconds and reconnect the power cable. Now press the pairing button from the controller, then click on add device from the PC. Then click on your controller Bluetooth name. By following the steps, you can fix Xbox controller won't connect to PC.
This video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.